Turbo's price has shot up by 1,500% within a month. But should I still go turbo, or rather sell now? In this video, I'm talking about the meme coin Obo, and I'll share my price prediction for the future. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group. I share daily analyses on Bitcoin, Tobu, and all other cryptocurrencies there. First link in the description. To start with, Tobu is currently ranked 229th among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $600 million. It's about a meme coin that is currently exploding, meaning a lot of money is flowing into this coin, but there is no fundamental strength other than it being a meme coin. What is a good sign is that we have a circulating supply of 92%. This means the supply, that is, the number of coins cannot be increased or not massively increased. And as mentioned, a lot of money is coming into this coin, even though we don't even have a Binance listing yet. That means with a potential Binance listing, we could see even higher prices. And looking at the daily chart, we can see that after this longer period where not much happened, we've seen a huge increase last week. Within a week, we've seen a price increase of over 660%. But will we see higher prices now or a larger pullback? On one hand, it's true that if we see such a bullish trend, the chances are high that we'll see higher prices as long as this trend continues. This means the chance for a retrace hunt after this extreme rise is definitely on. Right now, Turbo looks incredibly long, and I think there's a high chance we'll see higher prices too. The issue with meme coins, of course, is that there's no fundamental strength, just the price rising, because a lot of people are buying this coin. And not because the project is fundamentally strong, but meme coins are performing very well at the moment, and of course, the chance is high that Turbo could become one of the biggest meme coins. And thus, naturally, much more money would come into the market. Flowing. I personally prefer to get in when we see a retracement to the downside, and for one, we have this demand zone here, meaning from this demand zone we got this push in this zone. I've seen higher highs. And if the price pulls back into this demand zone, and if we then see bullish price action on the lower time frames, then the chance is extremely high that we will continue the bullish trend upwards. If we see lower prices and this demand zone breaks downwards, then I personally would pay attention to this demand zone. Because in this zone, we have an even clear accumulation phase. And when the price comes in this direction, and if we see bullish price action here, the chance is extremely high that we can continue the bullish trend upwards. Of course, there's also the chance that we see significantly higher prices from this high. But it's extremely risky to get in at these high prices because many people have obviously bought in along the way. And of course, larger institutions are naturally interested when they are bought in these areas, that they naturally would sell at these prices. And when larger institutions decide to sell at these prices, the chance is naturally very high that we will have a massive drop to lower prices. So I would be careful right now and not jump into these extreme momentum candles, but rather wait for a retracement and enter a higher low with the corresponding price action. And if you don't want to miss any trading signals, then join my exclusive trading signal group. I share real-time trading signals in crypto spot buys and sales here. Second link in the description. Overall, Turbo is a new meme coin that's performing extremely well right now. Of course, there's a high chance we'll see higher prices, but it's very risky to invest in this coin at such a high price range. Especially when we look at the market cap, there's still a lot of potential upwards. It's tough, but a 30 to 100 times increase will be very hard for this coin. In my opinion, we could at most achieve a market cap 5 to 10 times higher. And the chance is extremely high that larger institutions could sell here, and we could see significantly lower prices. I personally would wait until we see a retracement either into this zone or into this lower zone, and if we see bullish price action there, it is a really good entry price. Thank you for watching. I wish you all the best in trading. See you in the next video.